Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Garage Topics. Hope you're chilling out there. This is one of my favorite episodes. I think I'm so excited to do this because we're actually finally picking up the Corvette's engine. Alrighty, so I'm up in the Bowling Green, Kentucky areas, and we're heading down to the Nashville area. It's about an hour's drive. I've had my engine down there for probably 3 months now. It's been logistics, getting a bunch of parts, figuring out exactly what I want to do with the engine. So I've had the engine built by John Bouchard. Some of you may recognize him from some early morning Sunday TV shows on Spike TV back in the day. He's top-notch engine builder. It's been great to work with. So we're gonna go down there. We've got some final pieces to put on the engine. I'm gonna show you what all went into the engine and what was needed to make it work and get back to normal, and hopefully talk about some expected horsepower levels, and then we'll strap her up and load it back over here to put her in the Corvette. I cannot wait. It's been a long time coming, and I'm super excited to get this back in the car and start ripping bald eagles and freedom all day, every day. We got to get this out of the truck in the back there, but that is the baby for this mama. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna get this out. We have to set up the lift, get out the back, and then we'll put it on the engine stand. Let's get it. Went ahead and got her unwrapped. Fresh. And soon she'll be back here. I can't wait. So let's go over what was done. It's been completely cleaned. It looks like a brand new engine basically. It's got all brand new gaskets. So to get this fixed, we ended up boring the cylinders 10 over. One cylinder was way off. The rest of them were kind of off. So to keep things clean, we just bored them all out so we didn't have to do any new sleeves or anything. So all the pistons are 1/100 of an inch bigger than what they were stock. Those are with Holley pistons. They're forged pistons. They're part of the power pack. They come with rings. Good stuff. I've got scat rods in here, forged as well. So the pistons and rods should make this block handle, I don't know, 1,000 horsepower. The limiting factor now of this engine is the block. So no internal components of the issue. It's just the metal casing of the engine, which is crazy. But probably never going to get there, at least right now. So stock crank was cleaned up. The entire inside of the engine was cleaned up as well. It's got new bearings in it as well. Because I changed out the pistons and rods, I had to have the whole thing balanced. So the whole thing's balanced. As you saw in the pictures when we picked up, you got new rocker arms, you got roller rockers, the Summit Racing brand roller rockers. Apparently the good stuff. I had the hardened push rods and all the springs in it before, so those are just all cleaned up. One thing I'll mention, the pistons they were off the shelf, so they wthey were forged and they fit fine. Off the shelf was good. But unfortunately, the stock LS6 has a 10.5 compression ratio. These pistons, they don't have as much area up top, so it made the area, the combustion chamber, a little bit bigger, which made the compression 10-to-1. To combat that, we went ahead and shaved the heads, I think 25/100ths of an inch or thousandths of an inch. And what that essentially did is made the area of combustion slightly smaller, which bumped up the compression to, I think it's 11 or 11.2-to-1. So that's good for naturally aspirated. That'll be real safe, and we can get some good power out of that. So, I mean, I'm stoked. It's got all brand new gaskets in it, all Mr. Gasket brand gaskets, except for the bottom batwing, which was a GM gasket. But everything is super fresh and super clean in here. These valve covers are going to be going. I got some Club Dirty Fresh stuff coming up in the future, within the week. I'll show you those, what the new ones are gonna look like. The first thing I have to do before I throw this in is replace the throwout bearing, which is down in here. I'll make a video about that because it's a new product that Hayes came out with, so I'm gonna test it out and see if it works. It's specifically for the C5 Corvette, so that should be good. We're gonna put that in first, make sure that works. Then we can bolt up the clutch and pressure plate and flywheel, get that all situated. Then this engine's going in the engine bay, which I cannot wait. It's a little bit cold today, so I'm gonna wait another couple days to put the engine in, but the clutch and stuff is coming up real soon, so I'm pretty stoked about that. All right, that's all I got for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Just wanted to give you guys an update on getting this engine back because I'm really happy about it. So thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like watching this channel. If you don't, let me know what's up, and you can make fun of my accent in the comments. So have fun with that. Peace out.